Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about eyeshadow tutorial using the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air eyeshadow palette. This is a quite old and pretty famous eyeshadow palette, but I have never tried it, so I thought of creating a look using this eyeshadow. It has all the basic common shades. It has two transition shades. One is a dark brown and the other one is a light brown. Also, it has three shades of brown, as you can see here. Starting with the chocolate brown shade, then there's a reddish shade, dark brown and light brown. On the top, you can see the lighter shades. There is a shimmer shade and also white shade. So this is the shimmer shade which can be used on your eyelid and also as a highlighter. So let's start the tutorial. I've already done my base makeup. Starting with this light brown transition shade on a fluffy brush. Placing the transition shade below my brow bone. Next, I'm using this dark brown shade which is darker than the transition shade. So the first brown shade on the palette, and I'm packing this shade again below my brow bone, but I'm using a small brush so that this color looks more concentrated. Next, I'm using the second dark brown shade in the palette in the same brush and again defining it below the brow bone, blending it out in circular motions. Next, I am taking a plain brush and blending at the brow bone to give a smoother finish. I'm again dipping into the transition shade and using a light hand I'm blending it at the brow bone. I am dipping next into the darkest chocolate brown shade into the same dense brush and placing this at the outer V. Next, I'm dipping into the shimmery shade and applying the shimmery shade on my eyelid. This shimmery shade is not very pigmented, to be honest. If I use it with a spray, I think it will give me a good pigmentation, but I am just layering it and working it around with my fingers. I am going back to the transition shade and applying it on my lower lash line. Next I am dipping into this second dark brown shade and applying it on top of the transition shade. I'm applying the whitish shade on the brow bone to highlight the brow bone. This is not a shimmer shade, it's a matte shade. Using the same shade in the inner corner of my eyes. With this we are done with the eye makeup with this Rosé in the Air eyeshadow palette. Here is a finished look. I have completed my look with a lipstick and applied mascara and liner. I really like this look. If you like my video, please do not forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon if you want to receive updates of my new videos. See you